Okay, one more try. Or what'd you call it? One more donation.
Yep. One more donation to the silly fan who never plays Sugarloaf because they really suck. But let me think here. You think that bear's too far over. Just kind of thinking here. Nah, not bad. I'm gonna try for that Betty B.
No, really?
Mom hates. It just.
No?
It has a big enough. I don't know. What do you think is?
I don't know. I don't know what that.
Why don't you text me?
What those jaws will clamp down on it. You're the expert.
Okay. I'm thinking.
We could just save them for later.
No.
You're allowed to save money.
I know. But I'm here. I must win a Sugarloaf.
All right.
Even though Sugarloafs are completely stupid. Never played a Sugarloaf. I'm a trained professional.
It's gonna spin.
I know.
Oh.
Nope. Told you, Sugarloaf is horrid. Hey, Dad, let me see this. Well, I think I have an idea with this quarter. Come here.
Can I get gum?
No.
Or get a troll?
No.
Oh, go back to their place?
Yeah. I'll run, don't worry. So,
I'm gonna be with Mom.
I know. Where do you want to meet me? One sec, I'm having a conversation.
Back here.
Okay, so I'm going to meet my dad right here. Right there?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to be running down. One sec. I'm running down to a different claw machine, which is 25 cents only. So, yeah. And I know I can get something. So, yeah. Here we go. Just ran all the way down here. So, here's this one. So yeah, here it goes. Going for that white bear right there. Which it'll doubtfully get. Like this yellow disc. Yellow disc. Here I go. And that sucks. Well, I can't win. Today has been a winless day. Bye.